We acknowledge and pay our deepest respects to the elders past and present, and to the spirits of those who have journeyed on to the dreaming. This video may contain images, voices, or names of people who have passed away. With reverence, we dedicate this work to their memory. May their stories continue to guide and strengthen future generations. An unnamed woman from Mowanjum Aboriginal community has been murdered. She is the 22nd female to be murdered this year from family violence. On Easter Sunday, April 20th, 2025, a 39-year-old mother of four was tragically found unresponsive in her home in the Mowanjum Aboriginal community near Derby, Western Australia. Despite immediate medical attention, she was pronounced dead shortly after arriving at Derby Hospital. A 38-year-old man known to the victim has been charged with her murder. Authorities allege that he breached a 72-hour police order and protective bail conditions issued the day prior. Pedestrian ABC. This incident has cast a spotlight on the alarming rates of domestic violence in Western Australia's Kimberley region, where police respond to an average of 19 family and domestic violence incidents daily. The victim is the 23rd Australian woman killed in 2025 and the 4th Aboriginal woman lost to violence that year. A 38-year-old man has been charged with murder after the death of a 39-year-old woman in the Mowanjum Aboriginal community near Derby in Western Australia's Kimberley region. The incident occurred on Easter Sunday, April 20th, 2025. Emergency services were called to a residence on 4th Street at approximately 7:45 a.m., where they found the woman unresponsive. Despite receiving immediate first aid and being transported to Derby Hospital, she was pronounced dead shortly after arrival. Police allege that the woman was assaulted by the man, who was known to her, in a domestic violence-related incident. It is further alleged that the man had breached a 72-hour police order and protective bail conditions issued the day before the incident. The accused appeared via video link before the Derby Magistrates Court on April 22nd, facing charges of murder, breaching a police order, and breaching protective bail conditions. He was remanded in custody, with the murder charge scheduled to be heard at the Stirling Gardens Magistrates Court in Perth on May 28th, while the other charges are set for a hearing in the Broome Magistrates Court in June. This incident has cast a spotlight on the alarming rates of domestic violence in Western Australia's Kimberley region, where police respond to an average of 19 family and domestic violence incidents daily. The victim is the 23rd Australian woman killed in 2025 and the 4th Aboriginal woman lost to violence that year. Advocates are calling for a review of current measures to ensure better protection for vulnerable individuals. Support services for those affected by domestic and family violence. Support services are available. 1,800. Respect. 1800 737 732 Lifeline. 13 11 14. Beyond Blue. 1300 224 636 Kids. Helpline. 1800 551 800. Note: Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander readers are advised that this story contains the name and image of a person who has died.